Happy New Year, guys. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be showing you how to convert curly to straight hair. This is the wig I'm going to be working with. I'm going to be working on. To start off, I'm going to ensure that I brush off all the curls and ensure that no thick curls are remaining. Then I'm going to secure the part I'm not yet working on and concentrate on the little part that I'll be working on. The straightener I'll be using for this video is the titanium straightener. I'm just going to divide that little section into smaller sections to enable me achieve the kind of straightness I want. I'm sorry I'm on the phone, but I couldn't help that phone call. So in the course of trying to straighten the hair, I'm just going to go in with a rat tail comb to ensure that it's properly combed before I straighten it, so I don't have single knot strands. Although with this particular weave I hardly have single knot strands, so I'm just going to do it all the same. For each section I cut out, if you can see, I try as much as possible to comb it to make it very smooth, so it will be easy for me to have that result that I'm actually looking for. And I also go in with the iron over and over and over just to you can use a heat protectant if you would like. I didn't use any I'm supposed to use. I couldn't just find it. I don't know if it's still remaining, but I didn't use here. But the right thing to do is to use a heat protectant, especially when you're working with human hair and not a synthetic hair. Actually, going in with the rat tail comb is not really that easy, but at some point I'm just going to stop using it because I wasn't finding it very easy. So as long as I've combed, I've brushed the hair from the start or combed it before going in with the iron, I don't have any problem. Now this is the closure part of the wig. I'm just going to comb it, then straighten it, and you're going to see how sleek it would look. It would literally look beautiful. You can see the shine. I forgot to add that I added some natural oils to the wig to make me achieve that shine you see there. Now I'm going to part the front section of the wig and just secure the back part, so I work in sections so it won't be a scattered work. Then brush it and secure it up and work in little sections. speaking about where I got my titanium straightener from, you know me, I always go to the market. I hardly buy things online, especially my work tools, my YouTube work tools. I like to see what I'm buying. So as usual, I went to Lagos Island Market, into Mota Market. So you all know I'm a Lagos kid. I don't live in Lagos Island though, but I like to go to that market. You see variety, your eyes will just pop, like pop, pop, pop. Well, now I'm at the top part, so I'm going to work on the closure and ensure that it is properly combed and flat ironed. This particular closure I have is a short one. As long as the hair is straight, you barely notice it's that short. But I like it all the same. It works for me. Now I'm done with the front part. I'm just going to do some finishing touches to the front. At this stage, I'm going to move to the back part. I just need to secure what I've done in front so it doesn't start interrupting what I'm going to do behind. This is the back part. Now I am going to do what I do best. I divide it into two, then work in little sections. No, for this one I actually divided it into three. So now I'm going to work with this little section that is set aside. Brush it as usual, then go in with my iron, little sections. Then going with my titanium flat iron. I'm done with the left and right section of the back. Now I'm going to work on the middle section. I just keep this part since you know all what I'm about to do. I don't know if you haven't subscribed, please click the red button below that says subscribe, and also click the bell icon beside it so you'll be notified when I post this kind of videos. I do a lot of this kind of videos, and you can also request the kind of video you want to see at the comment section below. So let's keep watching. You can see how slick the top is. It's beautiful. The titanium or iron, flat iron, did a very wonderful job. I like the result. And it's very easy to run your hands through. No strain, no friction. You should buy this iron. It's not a review, but it does a good job. So this is the coily hair you saw initially. It's now a straight hair, and this is the final look. It's amazing, super amazing. I'm sorry, today I'm not going to be trying it on, so forgive me today. I don't have the strength to make up. Okay, kindly click the picture to the right so you can be subscribed to my channel, and don't forget to also click the notification icon. I have more videos coming out and you're going to love it. Thank you for watching. Do have a lovely day. Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.